Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Associated Bank Review My Usage Experience. Associated Bank Review My Usage Experience offers online banking account management and review tools for Associated Bank customers. Its main purpose is to allow users to easily monitor their accounts, track transactions, and manage their finances online. Key features likely include account summaries, transaction history, bill pay, and potentially budgeting tools. Their website provides details on accessing these services. The bank emphasizes ease of use and security. While specific pricing isn't applicable, as it's standard online banking, they advertise no hidden fees associated with the core online banking services. Availability is limited to Associated Bank customers. You can check availability and access by visiting the Associated Bank website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Associated Bank Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was incredibly easy. I simply logged in using my existing online banking credentials. The interface was clean and intuitive. I found everything I needed without any trouble. I easily accessed my account summary, reviewed recent transactions, and even paid a bill, all within a few minutes. The transaction history displayed detailed information, including merchant names and locations, which was helpful for tracking spending. The speed was consistently excellent. I never experienced any significant lag. I had a quick question about a pending transaction and their online help section provided a clear answer. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to download transaction data in a CSV file for easy budgeting. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. However, the website was responsive and worked well on my phone's browser. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Associated Bank's online banking experience. It's efficient, secure, and perfectly met my needs. That's my overview of Associated Bank Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.